This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 24th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.29 points or 0.07% to 410.39. Total trade volume was down with 23,496 shares changing hands at a total value of over 127 million real or approximately $31,600. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 0.42% or 10 real to 2,390 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was up 0.32% or 20 real to 6,320 real per share. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, dropping 0.57% or 80 real to 13,920 real per share, followed by Akleda Bank, which was down 0.27% or 20 real to 7,300 real per share. The remaining five stocks on the main board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was down 0.32% or 10 real to 3,090 real per share, while DBD Engineering stayed flat at 2,060 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 10,735 shares changing hands at a total value of 78.3 million real or over $19,000, roughly 46% of Friday's trade volume. CamGSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 6,718 shares changing hands at a total value of 16 million real or over $4,000, which is approximately 28% of January 24th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,024 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 107.5. Looking at global commodities, oil prices were little changed on Friday but headed for a weekly decline after U.S. President Donald Trump issued a sweeping plan to boost U.S. production and demanded OPEC lower crude prices. Brent crude futures were up 6 cents at 78.35 US dollars a barrel. For the week, Brent is down 3.07% so far. Gold prices touched near 3-month highs and were set to post a fourth straight weekly gain as U.S. President Donald Trump's calls to lower interest rates and lack of clarity on tariffs weighed on the dollar. Spot gold jumped 0.6% to 2,770.39 US dollars per ounce and has gained more than 2% so far this week. Earlier in the day, prices rose to 2,777.10 US dollars, their highest since October 31st, when they hit a record high of 2,790.15 US dollars. Stock futures edged lower in overnight trading Thursday after the S&P 500 hit a record closing high following U.S. President Donald Trump's call to lower interest rates and crude prices. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 were marginally lower, while the Nasdaq 100 futures inched down around 0.15%. Earlier, the S&P 500 notched its first record close since December 6th. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 24th. Have a great weekend.